I ordered this unit of TV stand and fireplace online and it came on a box. So here I will be deploying my DIY skill to assemble it. So let's do this together. So this is me taking out all the parts from the box just to see if I have all the parts on the manual to be sure that I have all I want. I have my tools. Yeah, I have this. I have this. And I have it. So if you open this, you're gonna see all of them in here. So you see. At this point, the first part was completed, so it was left to fix the fireplace. So here is the fireplace. I have to do a lot of fitting to be able to drill where it needs to fit because it was not already drilled. So, but it works. Just watch to the end. So this stuff, you got to plug it at the back. This, you got to plug it at the back. So this is how it turned out to be. I wanted to rate my DIY skill out of 100. just be a good judge, like be a good teacher, be a good professor, and be a good lecturer, be a good grader. Thank you so much.